Hi guys, this is my Lego puzzle box. It's not really that good, but it works. Okay, so first here's the lock. Push this, unlock it, and you get half of key. You haven't get a complete key. So this push it in front, then this unlocks. Pull it up. You can't pull it up the other place. Like here, you can't put it here, but you can put it here. So there's another part of the key. So you combine both of them. And there's a key. So go here. This push. And there, the door pops out, and you get a pack. Push it in here. Like this, push, take it out, oops, okay, and then you get another key, stick it at this hole here, this little thing come up, and there's your prize, okay. I'm just gonna put that back. Very easy. So that's my Lego puzzle box. And thanks for watching. Bye.